I assumed it's been 5 hours since I actually did it, so I assumed you wanted an update. Haven't made the apps working, but I know exactly how I'm gonna do it. It's just that I was having problems trying to figure out how to change like the light to dark. This is what I have. I know it looks really stupid. I kind of reworked my entire GUI design for this to work. Yeah, it's really annoying, but it works. Let's go to the screen so I can actually use it. Just gonna move my mouse around to prove it. So it's in that. Ooh, that's in a weird spot. Now when I press this, it flips to dark mode, and it turns back. And you can just do it as many times as you want. Honestly, it's really simple. It's just if it's around with this just sitting there, and yes, that is a poop for a cursor, cause boop. Light for the settings icon. I'll probably change it eventually. Haven't made the fricklet yet, but that would be really easy. But yeah, this is what I have so far. I liked it so it looks nice on the outside. Okay, let me just show you that the mouse fully works and stuff on this screen too. See, mouse work. Whoopsie. Well, I have no idea where the mouse is. Oh yeah, that's on the other side of the screen. Like, not even on the screen. Okay. Bye.